the word nurse says. I care not only for the old, but for all ages as well.
Absolutely true. The specialty nurse says, I look after terminally ill patients bound on their bed.
But nursing isn't just about caring, as I myself. Nurses work holistically, providing touching lives of the patients, where patients touches the lives of nurses too. And that's why exactly the purpose why I am here.
Restoring a person to a normal life is one of the many unique roles of me.
I am a proud rehabilitation nurse, as I passion as a whole towards our attainment goal.
I work as a collaborator, working with all the members of the healthcare team, discussing each patient's progress in our team and family conferences.
I can also be a teacher, teaching nursing techniques to patients and families in carrying out daily living activities.
I work as a caregiver. I implement plan of care for every patient to prevent complications and providing quality care and ensuring safety and security for all patients at all times. I serve as a patient advocate.
I actively listen to patients and families
to help them express their feelings and concern
and assist them to adapt and adjust to their disabilities.
I am a
proud rehabilitation nurse, as I care not only for the sick, but for well people as well.
I
step
step
into
into
each
each
patient's
patient's and
lives,
family's lives,
Giving
giving
support
support
and
and
counseling
counseling
they
they
need.
need.
I am a proud and unique rehabilitation nurse, as I help people who help themselves regain a high